Right, don't normally do this, but there's plenty who do on the old YouTube unboxing. Streetwise power inverter to go in the van, so I can run some 230, 240 volt items, mainly chargers, small little heater, something the van really does need, and what else ever comes along with its power. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to unbox this, see what's in there, and then install it in the van later. So what it says, typical use and wattages, it gives you a long list from cordless drill charger, all the way down to a jigsaw. I'm not going to be using a lot of these. I say heater mainly, and a couple of little small bits and pieces. I don't know why you'd need an inverter for a jigsaw. Normally I find a flat table and just plenty of time piecing it together. Anyway, jokes don't get any worse than that. Right, let's have a look what's in the box. Yeah, if you're wondering, I have had this open once, just to make sure. Right, inverter itself, USB socket, obviously standard UK plug socket, and on off. Positive, negative terminal, and 2 fuses. And what I did like with this is 2 in there, and it also comes with 2 spares, which is handy. Cables, positive, negative, crocodile clips. I'll be losing them because it's going to be permanent, and what I'm going to do is put some battery terminal rings on where the crocodile clips were and attach it permanently to the Leisure battery. So that's what's in the box. As I say, I have unboxed it already just to have a look, make sure it's all there. And what we do, I'm going to do a video of this sort of being installed. So yeah, that will come along later, but there it is, a power inverter. Okay, so we've done the unboxing of the power inverter. Now the installation part. So I've decided it's going to sit just under the passenger front seat. It is near the Leisure battery, so it makes it a lot easier to wire the 2 terminals at the back on to the Leisure battery. 240 facing that way, so I should have enough space to plug stuff in without any issue. I'm also going to swap the battery clips for some I bought at the weekend. These are sort of a lay flat clip, so it'll be easier to bolt on to the sides. So first thing I need to do though is cut off the crocodiles on these and just crimp on some new ring terminals like this one, so we'll go over the battery part. So I'll do that, and we'll get back to you then. So that's that in stripped off. That's the little ring what's going to go on, and also I've got some sleeving tube, heat shrink. Basically do, once that's all connected together, naked flame just to knock that down, seals that nicely, so that just pops into there. And normally a sort of decent set of grips, because what you want to do is crush this. I just got like the sort of multi-pliers, use a bit of everything, should crush that down nicely. It says onto there, both hands, excuse me. Right, let's have a look. Let's have a look. Yep, that's crushed it enough. Then what you do, sleeve over the top, lighter, and just gently all over, not too much in one place. You just want to shrink down. And job done. That puts a nice seal on that. let it cool down before touching it. And that is that one done. Just got to do the live terminal now, so I'll come back to you when I've done that. Right, that's both of them done. Now to take off the terminals I had ready on there. I've already loosened this one off to make it a little bit easier. Oh, that's just come apart, hasn't it? Okie dokie. I'm lucky enough I've got another one. I can re-crimp it. Right, take that one off and that one off, and also I'm going to lose this as well, and then take that one off, lose that, and let's say pop these new ones on. Hopefully they lie flat like that, so it makes it a little bit easier wiring up instead of being over the top and be on the side of them. So I'll do that, and once that's all done I'll get back to you. Okay, so as with doing anything, sometimes comes a problem. Now these, what I wanted to install, the actual thread is too big for the eye to go over, so I'm not going to be using them. Using the tops though to cover over the top there. There's one there, and I will put the other one over there, but that is now wired in, and yes, because that battery is live, I've just stuck a rubber glove over there, stop me putting the two together and get a nice little 12 volt shock. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the inverter onto there, wire it up. If that all works okay, then screw it down, and then I will get back to you and hopefully show you it working. Right, so what I've done, my battery charger just plugged in. See, it's off at the moment, on green light, and yeah, that's charging, so it's drawing power at the moment. So now what I'm going to do is get that tied up and get that secured into there, so I'll show you that when that is all done. Right, there we have it. One power inverter installed. Screws go straight down through the floor. Hold that in place. Yeah, off at the moment, but yeah, job done. Not as hard as I thought it would be, but just another asset for the van, so we can run a few 230, 240 volts appliances. I hope you've enjoyed this one. Plenty more to come, loads more jobs to do this summer. Catch you soon.